quality, inspiration, service. At AFP Advanced Food Products LLC, we're proud to embody these ideals as part of Savencia Fromage and Dairy, one of the world's leading milk processors. We're also proud to be an aseptic food service, retail, private label, and co-pack manufacturer customers count on every day. Our culinary team delivers endless options to help our customers stay competitive, whether it's retail solutions on grocery shelves, student favorites in the cafeteria, or seasonal LTOs that keep diners coming back for more. Our shelf-stable cheese sauces, puddings, dips, soups, and other products come in a variety of packaging sizes to meet your needs, from a 1.7-ounce single-serve cup to a 140-ounce pouch. It all starts with our aseptic packaging capabilities inside our 3 state-of-the-art facilities. Our food product and packaging are sterilized separately, then combined and sealed to preserve freshness and nutrition. Our form-fill seal cup line is just one of the ways we ensure sterile packaging and properly sealed containers. The result is superior quality and flavor, all with no preservatives and an extended shelf life. We're also proud to introduce a whole new line, the Flex line, which gives AFP the power to switch to more cost-saving, eco-friendly plastic packaging. By transitioning from glass to plastic, our customers can save on shipping and storage while still getting the same great benefits of superior taste with no preservatives. FlexLine is just one more way AFP Advanced Food Products LLC is staying on the cutting edge for our customers. From our corporate headquarters and main facility in New Holland, Pennsylvania, to our national and global presence, AFP is proud to serve customers across the country and around the world. As we look to the future, we're committed to staying on top of the latest industry trends. That's why we invested in a new research and development lab, delivering custom formulations and menu inspiration, backed by our culinary innovation manager, food scientists, and sensory testing panels, while keeping consumer preferences at the forefront. In the end, it all comes down to providing exceptional service. That means engaging with customers in an honest, personal, and friendly way. It also means measuring success to ensure complete quality assurance and customer satisfaction, from on-time delivery to case-and-order fill rates. We're committed to helping you meet and exceed your goals and serve the best products possible. AFP Advanced Food Products LLC, focused on quality, driven to innovate, ready to deliver the right solutions for you.